So I'm planning something big this Wednesday. It's not Wednesday, honey. It's Wednesday. There's a difference between writing and speaking. I was born in Feb-yoo-airy, the month of love. Hold up. It's February. Let's give February the love it deserves, okay? I feel so Mis-chee-vee-us today. And I feel like correcting you. It's Mis-chuh-vus, not a tongue twister. My pronunciation is getting better, right? Nope. It's pronunciation, not pronoun. Let's chill in the library this evening. Irony, huh? We're not picking berries, it's library. Get it together. So I wrote etc. at the end. Ugh, it's etc., babe. Et set. A. Classy, not chaotic. I often wonder why English is so weird. You mean often? That T is shy, babe. Respect it. I need to buy new clothes. Like, clothes, but make it fashion? No, it's clods, not close like the door. I have a coupon for that cafe. It's coupon, not pun like a joke. Look, a zebra in the zoo. That's British. It's zebra if you're in the UK. I just want to feel comfortable in my space. You mean comfortable, effortless and fluent? Eat your vegetables. Let's cook salmon tonight. That'll is silent, chef. It's salmon. I slipped on the debris outside. It's debris. French vibes, fancy pronunciation, not my genre of music. It's genre. Say it like you're sipping espresso in Paris. This is such a sweet dessert. You mean dessert. That other one is full of sand. I don't understand the hierarchy at work. That's hierarchy, not some sci-fi villain. Almonds are my fav. It's almonds. That L dipped. It's invisible. Why did he bury the secret? It's berry, like a berry, but make it dramatic. This group is in chaos. It's chaos, not a dragon from a video game. We booked a luxury suite like, suit? Sweetie? It's sweet, not a business suit. I found it in the system catch. No, it's cash. Pronounced cash nerdy, but expensive sounding. He's a colonel in the army. Deep sigh. It's colonel. English is out here lying again. Let's walk by the quay. It's key, babe, like the key to correct pronunciation. This dish is full of victual. Nah, it's vitols, spelled like chaos, said like smooth jazz.